So where do you see open source contributions making a real benefit in your personal life or in the life of the folks who work for you?
That's a great question. So first, yeah, you're definitely right. It takes a lot of time, a lot of energy, but I think we all think first, it's nothing is mandatory. We don't force people to contribute, within the team. We encourage them. We want to help them do so. We want to, give them the tools and the help so that they can be the most efficient contributors. But then, as you said, it is something which is very time consuming. I think the benefit comes as in first, people are very proud to contribute to open source community. There's really this feeling that, I've been able to like give back to a framework that I use a lot. So I think this is a huge drive for everyone.
Two of your colleagues will be speaking at PyData Global. Will they be sharing some of the research that they've done with the PyData Global community?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we're very happy this year. We had two talk. One by Alexander Abraham is going to be talking about active learning, which is a great topic we had around labeling. And we actually open source our own solution, which is called Cardinal. So we have a talk called Cardinal, a metrics-based active learning framework. And then we have another research scientist of ours, which is Simona Maggio, who studied this year globally what we call machine learning debugging. And it's about learning and understanding where you model make mistakes. So it's called learning from your model's mistake.
So tell me a little bit more about the local efforts that Dataiku has made to support the local communities. I understand Dataiku is a big supporter of the PyData Paris meetup group. What motivates you to support these local communities in that way?
I think, we used to be a small startup. When I joined Dataiku, we were, I don't know, maybe 20. Now we're about 500 people. And so I know what it is to be, to have, limited, I would say, funds, to be in a small office. And so usually we see that those type of efforts from the community, they kind of struggle sometimes to find a right, just a room to have people meet and talk. So that's what we did earlier this year before the COVID. We did that with the Paris PyData. We hosted the meetup. We were super happy to do so. And, it's another way, I think, for us to give back. It's not only about giving back in contributing as a researcher or as an engineer. It's also giving back as, we can afford to, to have people stay with us at the office. We also did that with sprints, where we hosted some sprints. That was another great way to be embedded in the local activities of the data science ecosystem here in Paris, but also in New York. So yeah, that's what we do.